Okay guys, here's my broken laptop that I'm about to repair for you. Alright, inside of this box I have a replacement LCD screen that fits just right with my laptop so I can fix it, and a repair kit, which you'll see in a second, which has, there's a repair kit, which has tools that I can use to repair my laptop. Alright, the first thing we need to do is unscrew these little screws at the bottom corners. That's pretty easily done. I've already had it done beforehand, so I wouldn't have to do that. It's pretty tedious. What I'm doing right here is I'm taking off the screen bezel, I think it's called, and it's the worst part on there. Like, it takes forever. See, even with it sped up this fast, it takes a while. But here I finally have it off, and there are two screws at the top. Now I quickly unscrew those. There's one, and there's two. And now there's four screws on, two on either side. There's one, there's two on the right side, left side, one, and two. Now after we do that, we can go ahead and lean it all the way forward and take the connector out. And then we can take the broken LCD screen and place it off to the side. Now to put the new LCD screen back in. Alright, first I slip the connector right back in, tape it in place. And then I try and put the frame back over it. This takes a while. It takes forever because these screws are tiny. But I eventually get it done. Here I finally have all four of them back into the frame, and the LCD screen is secured by the top two bolts that I removed earlier. Now all I need to do is boot it up, see that it's working perfectly fine now, and put the screen bezel back on. There we go, we have a perfectly new laptop. Or not new, but it looks just as good as new. I couldn't tell when I was done. And there's the broken screen.